Hello everyone. Today in this video we will learn how we can create basic presentation. If you are seeing my screen, then there is a blank presentation on my screen. We can type here. This is the text box by default. We can add title by clicking here. Suppose we want to click here the title PowerPoint. We can write the title here. In the below box we can add text or body to the title कि जो इस टाइटल के अंदर हम क्या डालना चाहते हैं टेक्स्ट वो इसमें हम ऐड कर सकते हैं. सपोज दैट इज MS PowerPoint 2016 MS PowerPoint 2010 and so on. If I want to create a new slide in this presentation, then how can create this new slide? Under this slide button, there are new slide option. When I click this new slide, then a new slide will insert here. New slide will be inserted. This new inserted slide is of same as the previous, that is title and text box. Title text box and the for adding the subtext here. If I want to insert the slide but of the different layout, then I will click on this drop down arrow and select the layout which I want to insert. Suppose I click this two content slides, then this will appear here. Suppose I want to change the layout of slide now, then click on this slide and then click on the drop down button upon the layout. Here various layouts appears here. Choose the one layout you want for your slide. Suppose I click title only, then the layout of this slide changes to title only. We can change this layout any type we want by selecting the slide. Suppose I select again the other layout. So this is the layout. We can change the position of these text boxes. Suppose I want to change the position of this text box here and I want to change the position of this text box here. So we can redesign our slide according to our requirement or according to our willingness. But you and click here and typing the text here. Any text you want to appear, any text you want to add in the slide. If you want reset the position or you want get that the text box reset upon their previous position, then click on here in slide group, click on the reset tab, reset button, then the text box again comes in their previous position. Next, if there are multiple slides in my presentation and I want to group them separately, for that I will click on the first slide and then click on the section button in the slide group. When I click on the section button, click on add section. When I click on the add section, this untitled section will appear on the selected slide and all the slides are under untitled section or under this untitled section group. We can also rename this by clicking on the section and rename the section. Suppose I want to rename this group under introduction. Click on rename, then this group is renamed. Suppose I want to show my 3 slides under the introduction group and from the 4th slide I want to show my images or the diagrams of the presentation. Then I will click on the 4th slides and add another group here similarly as the previous one. Click on the 4th slide, go to the section button, click on add section button. Similarly here from the fourth slide to the last, all the slides are under this group. Similarly, rename the section images, rename it. Now my all the slides after fourth slides are under the images section. If I want to add more slides, like I want to add some summary slides, then click on, suppose on the 9th or 10th slides I want to add summary of my presentation, then click on the 9th slides, click on section button, add section, then 9th and 10th slides are under this, and rename this section summary. So I can divide my presentation in these various groups according to my requirements. I can club up these slides in the group by clicking on this small arrow, like images are clubbed and summary is clubbed up. So this number showing that there are 3 slides in the introduction group, 5 slides in the images group, and 2 slides in the summary group. We can also expand these section by clicking on this arrow button one by one, or we can also expand all of these by clicking on expand all button. We can also collapse all these sections by clicking collapse all. If we want to remove these groups from our presentation, then again click on the section button and click on the remove all sections if you want to remove all section, and if you want to remove a single section, then click on that and remove the section. Suppose here I want to remove one section, then I have clicked on the summary, then click on the remove section, then summary group is removed. If I want to remove all the sections, then click on remove all section, then all groups are removed here. Next, there are 6 options present in this body text. First is this table. If we want to insert a table in our presentation, then click on this icon. If we click on this icon, these options will appear. Here this is asking about number of columns, number of rows, how many number of columns you are inserted and how many rows you are inserted. Select those and click on the OK button. But here I don't want to insert any table, so I click on the cancel button. By using this option insert chart, you can insert any type of chart in your presentation, like column chart, line chart, pie chart, and any type of chart you want to insert, you can insert here. By clicking on next, that is insert a smart art graphic. When you click on this option, there are various smart chart options will appear in front of you. You can select any one of them for inserting into your presentations, but we will discuss in the coming videos. So I will click cancel here. If you want to insert any picture, then click on the picture option from your device. Select any picture which you want to insert and click on the insert button. Your picture will be inserted here in your presentation. If you want insert a picture online, then click on this online picture option and search here any picture you want to insert and click on that. With the help of this, you can insert any online pictures. Last is insert video. If you want to insert a video in your presentation, then click on this. By using this, there are various options, that is from where you want to insert your video, from a file that is on your device, from YouTube, or from any embedded code. So you can insert video from anywhere you want. Suppose I want to insert video from my device, then click on the browse, click on the video you want to insert it, and then click on insert. Your video will insert it here. That's enough for this video. Thanks.